Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's a Wonderful Plan. I'm Tina. Today I have the Cloth and Paper October subscription box to share with you. All right, I have not even cut this open yet, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And let's see what's in here. I do have to say that this is pretty hefty, so I am excited. I had seen like sneak peeks, but I don't know. I think I'm getting them confused with other sneak peeks. So let's just take a look and see what we got. So if you've never seen an unboxing of Cloth and Paper, we've got on the inside cover here, it says there is luxury in simplicity. Now they do offer a couple of different options with their subscription boxes. They offer either the like penscription that you can get, or you can get just the planner subscription, or you can get the deluxe. I'm not sure if that's what they call it, but you can get both of them. I think this is like just a regular format for that, and there's usually a card here that talks about the penscription that you can get, but I don't see it this time, so not a big deal. Let's take that out and let's take a look here. Oh my gosh. Oh, whoa. Okay, this looks amazing, amazing. Okay, so here's the what's inside card, and I like this because it does tell us exactly what is on here, and then on the back side there's pictures, and then there's also let's see. Yeah, there's an exclusive for subscribers that you can shop exclusive products that they offer. So that is really cool. All right. Oh my gosh, there is some awesome stuff in here. I'm super excited. I'm going to scoop everything out and then I'll go through each thing in detail. All right, I'll be right back. All right, I am back and we are going to start looking at the box items. We're going to start off with this dashboard. This one they're calling the Presence Dashboard. And it says here, stop measuring days by degree of productivity and start experiencing them by degree of presence. Really, really pretty. And then there are some other sayings in here that you can go ahead and take a look at that. But yeah, this is really pretty. I like the aesthetic of it. It's really nice. Now, if this is the first time that you are joining me, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have a good time here with me today. Please consider subscribing while you're here. And if you are returning, thank you so much for joining me in another video. Now, this particular dashboard, you're noticing that it's not punched. It is because I requested it to be not punched. The size here is an A5 size. That's the size that I chose. They have different sizes that you can choose from, but for the A5, I have an A5 disc-bound notebook that I wanted to try to try that size out. So since they did not offer it with a disc-bound punch for that particular size, I requested that I got this unpunched. So that is the reason why I have this dashboard. And if you're wondering, well, why isn't this punched, or any of the inserts that I go ahead and show you. So yeah, really, really pretty dashboard. Now the next thing I have here is an executive notebook. Look at this, a whole notebook. This is a chunky notebook. There's 268 pages in here. Holy cow. It is an A5. It's a spiral notebook. And let me go ahead and open it up and show you like what the executive notes looks like, if you're not familiar with Cloth and Paper's executive notes. So out here we've got, it's got embossed in a gold foil. That's really pretty. Cloth and Paper, Richmond, Virginia, which is where they are located. And then it says here, executive notes. And then the back is plain. So the color is really pretty. I like the neutral color and I like the way it feels. It does have like a soft touch to it, but it is definitely a cardstock cover. So you do kind of want to be a little careful because of course we've got the twin loop here. And you know, if you are too aggressive, it might end up tearing. I could see that happening. So there's a cover page here where you can fill out your information. And then as we open it up here, it is a line grid, and it has an area here for subject. And then there is a section here for day, month, and date. So you go ahead and circle what day of the week it is, the month, and then the date. So it is that line graph paper. And wow, that is a really, really like generous amount of like notebook paper in there. Wow, that's like really thick. Okay, so that's pretty cool. All right, the next thing we have here are daily memo sticky notes. And these are, I love their sticky notes. There's 50 of them here. They're 3 by 3 inches, and the color is called crepe. It's got a little area here to write the memo, an area to write the date if you needed to, and then I like the circle here. Let's just see what they say. Yeah, nothing really particular in regard to the design here, but yeah, I love the color. It's neutral. I can use my black pen on there, and I love that. All right, so now we have some dot stickers. So I already took them out of the packaging, and there's quite a lot for each one. So there's 3 colors. We've got pistachio, and they are transparent stickers. And then there's Angora, which is really pretty. It's like almost like a winter white. And then we've got Sedona, which is just, to me, just looks orange, but of course that's what they're calling it. So really nice colors here. They're all transparent, and there's 5 sheets of each of these, and then there's different sizes. So look at this. So there's small, and then medium, and then large. So let's just take a look at the sizing here. So we've got this, I think, is the small, yeah, and then here's the medium. Okay, and then here's the large. Oh, it's upside down. I might have showed the other ones too upside down too. Sorry about that. And this is like all the different sizes. Now this looks like a different shade, right? It looks red. That looks red, and that looks orange. So weird. Okay, so and that's, oh wait. That's because there's 5 sheets, Tina, and they're doubled. Okay, well that makes more sense. So we get 2 sheets of like the selection of all 3 sizes, and then we get 1 sheet of large and 1 sheet of medium, and then 1 sheet of small. Oh my gosh. All right, that was really funny. I'm like, why is this a darker color? Okay, so that's everything there for the stickers. So that's really nice. We got 3 colors, a lot of stickers in here. I love the accessories that we get in our subscription boxes. I have to admit, it's probably my favorite from like this particular subscription. I just absolutely love the accessories. All right, so the next thing we have here is an insert, and this one is called the Alignment Insert Bundle. So this is like the back page where it tells you what it is, like the inventory page. Sometimes they have like a tutorial on the back, but they don't have it on this one. Let's take a peek and see what they have here. The alignment you attracted in the physical is a match to your inner reality. All right. Oh, there is a lot of things here. Let's see. What is alignment? 6 steps to identify and align your personal core values. Okay, so this definitely involves some reading. What do you value in life? Okay, so some journaling pages. You just kind of read it over and fill out what they're telling you to do, because there's step-by-step directions here. This one goes on to say, reconnect with the internal experiences that we often forget. And then update your core values list, take a total body wellness approach. And again, there's like information here telling you exactly how to like do all of that. Yeah, so this is like a deep dive, I feel like, you know. And then this one has a cover. Is this supposed to be like this? It's kind of weird. I've never seen them put like a cover page like on this side. Usually it's always like here and it goes right into it. So I don't know if that was supposed to be like that. I'm assuming it is. Our words are powerful and should be treated with respect. This is so true. Okay, so we've got more like steps to follow here. How to define and align your values with work. Emotional intelligence. Wow, this definitely looks like some in-depth discovery here. So I'm excited to actually look this over. And this is going to go perfect in the notebook that I have like chosen to put these inserts in. So I'm happy about that. That's awesome. All right, so the next thing we have here is the 2022, the vertical, I don't know what this means. Let's see. It is for December insert featuring one of our most popular, weekly designs. So it's probably, it's VWSS, vertical weekly, I don't know. Sort your upcoming plans with our vertical weekly inserts in their refreshed layout. So here's the dashboard for that. That's really pretty. Very simple, black and white. We've got a notes page, and then this page right here is kind of like a dashboard going into the month of December. So you've got 6 boxes to put your goals. There's an intention section. There's a bills due section. Then there's a notes with an area for like your check, you know, that it's done. And then we open it up to the monthly. Now this is a new monthly for them. I don't know if you've seen this yet. You definitely can order this for 2023. And this one is a Sunday through Saturday. And it does have some extra things down here, like your important dates, notes, and then there's also a sidebar area here with a very light colored previous month and next month. And then here is the vertical layout. Now this particular one is new and they are offering it a Sunday start. I'm sure you can get it on Monday start as well, but this is what they have included in our subscription boxes for us to give a try to see, you know, for those people that like that. I personally like a Monday weekly start, but obviously there are some people that would prefer a Sunday. I remember many, many, many years ago, actually not that many, but I would have loved this. This would have been perfect for me because I always wanted my weeks to start like the regular calendar week, like my weekly view. But since I've been in this planner community and most everything is offered on a Monday start, I really have just gotten used to that and I really, really like it. So for my weeklies, I do like to have the Monday start, but for my monthlies, I like a traditional like Sunday start because all of the other calendars are like that. So I don't want things to be different from like one planner to the other, or even my like digital device, that type of thing. But this is a really nice layout. I like this. It's got, it does have this month at a glance here, which I personally could do without, but they do have a different feature here where they are highlighting the week that you're currently in. So that might be a little bit more useful than just having the month there itself and not having it highlighted. But there is an area here to write like notes, or you can create a checklist because there's a section here to like check things off. The font is definitely much smaller. It's really cute. And I just like how subtle the lines are. So that's the monthly insert. So if you are looking for inserts for next year, this might be something you might like. And then there's also a notes page on the back. So really, really nice. All right, now we have got this super cute accessory. Oh my gosh. All right, this is the ellipse, and it is a leather bookmark. Look at how cute this is. I love the magnetic bookmarks. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. Look at how cute that is. It's like a half. And this is actually, I am so glad they sent this because this is like the texture, I believe, of one of the planners, like the planner covers that they sell. They have beautiful planner covers. I don't have one of theirs. But yeah, this is really nice. I like it. It definitely has like this like interesting, like almost like a wood grain texture to it. It's really pretty. So this was really cool. I'm super excited to get this. Right, and then the last items that I have here are the journaling cards. So we've got our monthly view for December, the clear card. I love this. They always send it out a little bit early, so you have it. So here's what it looks like. I just love this journaling card. I use it all the time. And then let's see what we have here. We have Meraki, to do something with soul, creativity, or love, to put something of yourself into your work. Very pretty. And this is just like a cardstock, and it's like, I want to say it might be like a 3x5. Let's see. Oh, it's a 4x3. All right, and then we have Grandoir. I love that font. That's really pretty. That's black on both sides. And then we have meaning quote card. Not everything has a meaning, but you can find meaning in most things. I just really love this font mixture, like that little touch of the one letter with the cursive and the caps on there. And this one's got like the cursive here and then kind of like, I don't know, it's like a cap, but it's like mixed. It's really, really pretty. I just really, really like the mixture of the fonts like that. All right, so this is everything from the Cloth and Paper October subscription box. Really awesome box. I love their accessories. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use these and this clip and this notebook. Oh my goodness. And I love that I got these inserts in this size because it was just like meant to be, because the notebook is specifically designed for like things like this. So I'm really, really excited about everything that I got. And I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video and your time here with me. If you did, please be sure to hit the like. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you will be notified when my videos post, and drop a comment down below. Say hello, introduce yourself. I would love to get to know you better. And if you are on Instagram or on TikTok, I am there at It's a Wonderful Plan. So if you want to follow me at either one of those two platforms or both of them, you can find me there. And thank you so much again for joining me in another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.